Welcome to Kenton Teaches. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to use an oxygen propane torch. First, let's cover essential safety. Always wear your personal protective equipment, like safety glasses and gloves, to protect yourself. Make sure your workspace is clear of anything flammable and has good ventilation. Before you even think about lighting, carefully check all your torch connections and hoses for any potential leaks. Safety is always our #1 priority when working with these tools. Now, let's get your torch set up. Begin by securely connecting the oxygen and propane regulators to their correct tanks. Once connected, slowly open the tank valves, then adjust the regulators to your desired working pressure, typically around 5 to 10 pounds per square inch for propane and 20 to 40 for oxygen. To light, open the propane valve a little, then the oxygen, and use a spark lighter to ignite the gas. Achieving the right flame is crucial for effective work. Start by adjusting the propane valve to get a soft, bushy flame. This is great for initial heating. Then, slowly introduce oxygen until you see a clear, distinct inner cone, indicating a neutral flame. This balanced flame is ideal for most cutting and heating tasks. Remember to keep the flame about 1/2 inch from your workpiece for optimal heat transfer and control. Finally, let's ensure a safe shutdown. Always close the propane tank valve first. This will cause the flame to extinguish safely. Next, completely close the oxygen tank valve. After both tank valves are shut, open the torch's propane and oxygen valves to bleed the lines. Watch the regulator gauges drop to 0, confirming all pressure is released. This prevents any gas from leaking and keeps your equipment safe for next time.
Thanks for watching. Please subscribe if this video was helpful.